Okay, imagine this. In Shanghai, a robot just stitched a Gucci level jacket faster and cleaner than a master tailor. Meanwhile, in rural India, farmers are predicting rainfall more accurately than the weather channel using nothing but a mobile app. And here's the twist. While AI is upgrading factories and farms, it is also quietly making students worse at thinking. So I'm going to show you 4 AI breakthroughs happening right now that most people have not connected together. And by the end of the video, you'll see why this is not just about machines getting smarter, it's about humans being forced to rethink what makes us humans. So let's start with story number 1. It's September 2025 in Shanghai. A company called Aito reveals a robot called A1. And A1 is the first sewing robot that can actually handle fabric like a human hand. Why does this matter? Because sewing is not mechanical, it's subtle. Silk fabric stretches, denim resists, wool shrinks. For 20,000 years, humans have done this by feel. But here's the breakthrough. AI can sew. But not just that, this AI called A1 does not just sew. She learns. She adjusts with each fabric like you learn how to ride a bike, right? It's wobbling and it's correcting itself. It's building the muscle memory. What's the result? Well, training time is down by 60%. Efficiency in sewing has increased up to 80%. And it's now able to predict any errors even before they happen. So if you think about it, technology is a reorganization of the nature and of the beings of the nature. Right? A1, this robot, the sewing robot, just compressed 20,000 years of human craft into software. And it's not just about replacing labor, it's about turning craft into code. That's where we are headed. Now jump from Shanghai to India. Picture a farmer, second story. Picture a farmer whose family has worked on the same farmland, on the same soil for generations and generations. Let's say you are that farmer. You're farming your farm, and some startup kid shows up with an app, says, "Hey farmer, I can tell you what's wrong with your soil." Normally, you would love them out of your farm, you would love them out of your village. Except in this case, the app actually works. There's this startup called AG Next. Tells that farmer, "Hey farmer, your soil is nitrogen deficient." And this app would tell the farmer that their soil is nitrogen deficient weeks before the crops would actually show the symptoms. It's not just that one problem. This app would tell any problem that the farm might be facing, which is not visible yet. That's like Spider-Man's Spidey sense, but for agriculture. And it's not just one app, right? There's another one called Farm Guide, which is an AI farming coach in your pocket. There's another one called Trestle Labs, which diagnoses any plant diseases with just your phone camera. There's another one called Rural Pay, which is banking for the unbanked farmers. So this is not Silicon Valley chasing NFT monkeys. This is AI transforming the lives of 600 million people. It's like when Uber started. Everyone thought it was for rich guys in black cars. But then your mom used it to grab groceries. India is doing the reverse. AI starts with farmers in villages and then it spreads up into cities. But here's the darker side. While AI is making farmers smarter, and making robots more skilled enough to sew clothes, it's making students dumber. Huh. Well, story number 3. There was a study done on 17 to 25-year-old students. And the study says, and this is not actually counterintuitive, this is expected. This was expected. The more they rely on AI, the worse their critical thinking gets. It's not just mathematics, it's not just math drills. We're talking basic reasoning. Students cannot perform hypotheses. They cannot test ideas. It's like they're giving everyone a calculator. So when you wrestle with a tough problem, that struggle that you go through, this is the neuroscience behind it. When you wrestle with a tough problem, a reasoning problem, a logical problem, a mathematical problem, you will struggle. And that struggle literally creates new brain pathways. That friction that happens in your brain, it's building cognition in your brain. But ChatGPT removes the friction. It's like skipping your gym too many times. So if you start outsourcing all of your pickle jars to the rock, well, sure, the jars get opened. But now your arms are like noodles. So the fix is, of course, don't think AI as your enemy. AI is not your enemy. But the lazy use of AI is. You rather want to use AI to skip the grunt work. You can get AI to do summaries, to do formatting, to do some admin work. So that you can free up energy for some deep thinking. That's the leverage. AI is AI is a bicycle for your mind. It's not a replacement for your legs. You do need your legs to ride the bicycle. The bicycle, though, will make you reach your destination earlier. It gives you a little bit of comfort than walking. But you still need your legs to be strong to ride a bicycle. Well, that's that. The fourth story. Samsung drops AI home. It's not just a fridge that's nagging about your milk. It's your entire house. Your entire house now can get a nervous system. This AI home by Samsung can run routines like you do. You leave your lights off. There's air conditioner adjustments to be made. There's security to be activated. Your laundry needs to talk to your dryer. Your TV needs to talk to your lights for movie nights. So this Samsung AI home is like hiring a butler, except the butler is the house. There's so many devices. The genius is not in each device, it's in the coordination of devices. And one smart employee is nice, but a smart team is powerful. So Samsung just made your house a smart team. Now my conclusion is to connect the dots. Connect the stories. Shanghai, robots are mastering ancient crafts. India, farmers are beating nature with foresight. Classrooms, students are losing the art of thinking. Samsung, homes that run themselves. Do you see the pattern? AI is not replacing humans. It is exposing what is uniquely human. And the robot still needs touch. The farmer still chooses